Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to create an idea for an 80s themed birthday party. Now, when I was younger, I used to love to go skating, so I just had to bring an idea for all of the 80s babies out there. You could also use these decorations for a glow in the dark party. So get ready for some fun, bright, creative decorations. All right. So let's get started. Let me stop right here for a quick announcement. I'm not sure if you've seen my post last week on this channel, but I am in transition mode. So I am transitioning to full time on my YouTube channels. For the past 7 years, I have been trying to do it all. I have been decorating events. I've been creating tutorials and videos on my YouTube channel. I have been creating classes. I've been teaching. I've been doing all the things. Your girl is burnt out. So I have made the decision to go full time on my YouTube channels, and I'll also still teach some classes. Okay. So I need your support to create beautiful things on this YouTube channel. You guys know, in order for me to create, I have to have the materials and the supplies. And prices have gone up so much that I need your support. So, how can you support me? You can just purchase a class. That is the easiest way for you to support this channel. So, you can head over to my website. I have plenty of online classes for you to choose from. When you purchase a class, you have lifetime access to that class. And then also, I can use the proceeds to support this channel. All right. So, make sure you click on the link in the description. I will put all the details in there. All right, so now that I'm done creating my mini shimmer wall, I am going to start blowing up my balloons. All of these balloon colors are from the Sempertex Neon Collection. So Sempertex has some neon colors that actually glow in the dark. This is the Neon Pink by Sempertex. As you can see, I'm just blowing up my balloons, and then I'm going to create a quad by twisting the balloons together. This is Neon Blue by Sempertex. Now, these colors do glow in the dark, but they do not glow in the dark on their own. You have to get one of those UV glow in the dark lights, and then once you shine it up against these balloons, they will glow in the dark. So this is Sempertex's neon blue color. I'm just going to create a quad in this color. The last color that I'm going to use is a neon yellow. This is a bright color. This color is so bright that if you stare at it too long, it will start to bother your eyes. So this is their neon yellow color. I had to blow up all of my balloons and then take a break and come back and work on the balloon backdrop. That is how bright these colors are. So I am going to create my last quad and then start to create my garland. So this is what my backdrop looks like, my mini shimmer wall. This is what it looks like after I attach the garland. Look at these dots. So that's the thing about these neon colors. With some of them, you can really see that dot that's in the middle of the balloon. I just want to warn you about that because I know some of you cannot stand to see those dots in your balloons. I'm going to take a step back so that you can see. Now I'm just going to add my finishing touches. So let me show you. I went on Amazon and I found these neon yellow table skirts. These are supposed to glow in the dark. So I am going to use these to cover up my pedestals. Now, I could have went to Home Depot and tried to find some glow in the dark paint, but I have heard from so many of you guys that you do not like painting as much as I like painting. So this is another option for you. If you have pedestals, you could use these table skirts to cover them up. Now, one of my pedestals looks good with this table skirt, but the other one is too tall. So I am going to have to cover up the bottom of these pedestals. All right, so this is what my balloon backdrop looks like after I add my finishing touches. I want to take a step back so that you can see everything that I have added. This is an idea for centerpieces. So if you are having a glow in the dark party and you're looking for a centerpiece idea, you could use these floating disco centerpieces, okay? I also created an idea. If you're looking for something to put in the entryway, you could use these tall floating disco balls, right? They're really simple to make. I will put that tutorial out next week for you. But guys, even though I love the way that this came out, I love this so far, I'm not done because I have a lot of space left on my wall. I think I'm going to create some balloon columns to go with this. So if you are looking for an easy decoration for your glow in the dark party, you could use these balloon columns. right, guys. So those were my ideas for an 80s themed birthday party or a glow in the dark birthday party. I just love how bright and fun this looks. I showed everybody in my family and everybody's ready to go skating. So if you have any questions on any of the materials that I use, make sure you check the links in the description. I'm going to put everything in there. I will also put the balloon count so you know how many balloons that I use. Now remember, if you want to support my YouTube channel, the best way to do that is to purchase one of my classes. So if you are interested in learning how to create beautiful balloon columns for your event, I have a class for that. If you are interested in learning how to create a beautiful mini shimmer wall, I have a class for that. So just head over to my website. I am going to put the link in the description and you can sign up for a class. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll see you in my next video.